So this morning what we're going to make is, I'm making black pepper oil. And black pepper oil is great for sore muscles. It helps improve, like, if you did a really intense workout. And I'm talking about like that you have pain. So I am making black pepper oil. And I'm going to put a little bit of peppermint leaves in there as well. And you guys know I like it to cure for, I like mine to sit about a month, so it could be really potent. So I got the black pepper in here, guys. Now, you guys can use any oils that you want to put in there. This one I'm going to put mineral oil in there. I'm going to mix this with the mineral oil. I got my sweet almond oil on the way, but I actually wound up running out. So if you guys want to use mineral oil, grapeseed oil, almond oil. So yeah, but I'm going to let this soak, guys. Here's a little bit of my almond oil. But yeah, this black pepper oil, guys, is really good for sore muscles and stuff like that. And if you don't want to just smell it just like black pepper, guys, you can put different things in there. So I'm going to put a little bit of, this is a little bit of lavender. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And then I'm going to put a little bit of peppermint oil. Seven, 8, 9, 10. Okay, so then this, guys, we're going to let it sit. I like for mine to sit about, I like a 30-day count. Because I like for my stuff to be really potent. So, but yes, guys, peppermint oil is a great essential oils. And it's great for the muscles and stuff. But remember, guys, when you make this, when this oil get ready, we got to diffuse it. We got to put it over the glass with the rubber band I use in the silk fabric to catch the pepper. Because what you want to just have left is the oils. You don't want the pepper seeds in your oil. So this will have to be sifted out. So after you get to the desire of what you're looking for. So guys, yes, make black pepper oil at home. Alrighty, bye-bye. Also like to run hot water on it and like to heat up the pepper and the oils and all that. It actually gives it a really good smell. And then I'm going to put this in a dark corner with my other oils and leave it there for like a 30-day count. And then when I'm ready to use it, it will be ready and smell so amazing. But I like to do this because it definitely heats up the oils before I go to put it in a dark spot. Just to have the black pepper just sit it in there. I like to get the pepper heated up. So I sit it in hot water. So thank you guys for watching. And when I get ready to put it in the next bottle, like these bottles up here, I'll show you guys that next process. But yeah, I just recycle bottles too, guys. If you guys have bottles, recycle them. And all these is from the essential oils that I've been making myself. So, alrighty, guys. Thank you guys for watching. Bye-bye. Okay, guys, so you guys can look it up. The benefit of using black pepper oil. It helps with your blood pressure. It helps with skin problems. It helps with achy muscles. It is so many different benefits of using black pepper oil. So now, guys, you can make your own black pepper oil at home with mineral oil, black pepper, or you can use sweet almond oil. So just look it up, guys, and use black pepper oil. Thank you guys for watching.